Today in this video we are going to learn different types of noun and gender. So let's start. Students, as you know that what is noun? A noun is a special kind of word called part of a speech. There are 8 parts of a speech and noun is the first part of a speech. Students, you can see that everything around us has a name such as person, place, animal, thing or feeling. So nouns are words that name people, animal, places, things and ideas. So let's talk about the types of noun. First we start with common noun. A common noun is the general or ordinary name of a person, place or thing. It means these type of names are not specific names. Common noun is the common or general name of a person or something or someone. Here are some examples also. So let's have a look. Common names of persons like girl, boy, sister and brother. Next is common names of places like hospital, country, town. Last is water, butter, book and car. These are the common names of things. See the exercise. Ram lives in a village. In this sentence, the common noun is village. Next type of noun is proper noun. A proper noun is a special name of a particular person, place or thing. Proper nouns are a specific name of person, place, animal or thing. Some examples are Ravi, Sheila and Akbar are examples of person. Delhi, London and Agra are examples of places. Television, table and book are examples of things. See the exercise. Kamla is a fine dancer. In this sentence, Kamla is a proper noun because it's a specific or special name of a woman. Here are some examples also. Common noun with their proper name. So these are some examples of common and proper noun. Now the question arises that in which terms common noun is differ from proper noun. See the relationship between common noun and proper noun. You see fruit. Fruit is a common noun of a second apple. Apple is a proper noun of fruit. Teacher is a common noun. Madam Tan is a proper noun. Madam Tan is a name of a teacher. Boy is a common noun and Ali is proper noun because Ali is a name of a boy. Book is common noun. A story book is proper noun because it's a kind of book. City is common noun and Kazan is proper noun. Biscuit, common noun and Oreo is proper noun because Oreo is a type of biscuit. Car, Honda City, shoe, Bata. So these are some common and proper nouns. Now question arises that common noun in which terms differ with proper noun. Always remember these terms. Common nouns are common names of persons, things, places, animals or events. They always start with a small letter. And proper noun are specific name of persons, things, places, animals and events. They always start with a capital letter. These are some keywords between common noun and proper noun, which differentiate between both terms. Next type of noun is collective noun. A name of a group of persons, things, or animals are called collective noun. Some examples are a bouquet of flowers, a wad of notes, a bunch of keys, a basket of fruits, a forest of trees. All these are the examples of collective noun. Let's have a look at what is gender noun, because it is very important for you also. In English language, gender are four kinds. In English language, genders are of four kinds: masculine, feminine, common, and neuter gender. But we should learn only two types according to your syllabus: masculine gender and feminine gender. So, first we talk about masculine gender. A noun which denotes or identify a male person or an animal is known as masculine gender, like boy, brother, father, husband, uncle, wizard, king, son, etc. All these are the examples of masculine gender. Next, we talk about feminine gender. A noun which denotes or identify a female person or an animal is known as feminine gender. Examples are girl, sister, mother, wife, aunt, witch, queen, daughter, etc. All these comes in the category of feminine gender. In this picture, you can see the examples of masculine and feminine gender. Bull is a masculine and cow is feminine gender. Son, daughter, horse, mare, king, queen, husband, wife, cock, hen, gentleman, lady, uncle, aunt, man, woman, bachelor, spinster, nephew, nicey, monk, nun, brother, sister, wizard, witch, sir, madam. All these comes in the category of masculine and feminine gender. These are the examples of masculine and feminine gender. So students, in this video, we learn about the different types of noun and gender. I hope you understand. So revise it and practice the exercises by yourself. Thank you.